2,000 watt portable inverter generator model 100692. And we're just breaking it in the first 5 hours. We're just going to do some light soldering, just try a couple of different appliances so we don't go past the 50%. Right now it's on econo, so it's going to fluctuate as the power need. And if it's on regular, it just stays high. It's still not that bad, but we'll go ahead and keep it on econo. So it's about 2:30, and we're going to just keep running this for 5 hours. This is the first time we have run it at all. So far so good. It's really super quiet compared to our full-size Champion generator. I think that's a 7,000 to 9,000 watt. That one's really loud. We got this for portability. The other one is basically if we have to plug in several things for our house. Okay, so as far as the generator, the 2,000 watt generator inverter by Champion, I'm approximately 45 to 50 feet away. We're working on the other side of our yard, working with some sprinkler lines and power line. The power for the sprinklers is going through here, and my husband's over here soldering. I don't know if you can even hear the generator. That's it in the background. You can barely hear it. And I should mention, we can barely hear it, and it is not on econo mode. We're just leaving it at one speed. Otherwise, if you have it on econo mode, it'll go up and down as the power need arises. So it sounds really, really quiet.